Welcome back to Americana Outdoors. We're at ICAST 2019 catching up with some of the latest products our sponsors have developed, starting with Garmin's debut into the trolling motor scene.
Hey guys, Fred Roumbanis here. We're at ICAST 2019 and we've got to experience for the first time the brand new Garmin Force.
Garmin does everything in the world bigger and better than anybody else out there, and now they're in the trolling motor game.
Extremely powerful trolling motor, the strongest trolling motor I've ever used in my entire life.
It really does blow my mind at the technology that they've integrated into a trolling motor. One of my favorite features about the Garmin Force trolling motor is it perfectly integrates with your existing Garmin electronics. It has a built-in UHD transducer, and you can actually operate the trolling motor right here from a control panel on the unit itself.
So this foot pedal right here is actually a wireless foot pedal. This particular one's hardwired, as you can see the cable right here, but there's a really cool option underneath here. This foot pedal is removable and it runs on AA batteries. So that's a really cool feature where you can move this foot pedal anywhere you want on the boat and can still have control.
The other neat thing about it is if you look at the mount right here, it's got all the features on it that's going to show you what's going on.
You actually have a battery indicator that's going to tell me my battery life. You've got your power indicator that's going to show us what percentage of throttle we're actually using. It's going to show me that I'm paired up with my Garmin electronics, and it's going to show me that I've got a GPS signal, but all right here on the unit. The next thing you'll notice is how rigid and sturdy this trolling motor is. For me, the most important thing is toughness and being quiet.
I don't know how they did it, but it is, you just don't hear it. The only thing you hear is the water slapping the front of your boat as you're picking up speed.
We're at 4.34, 4.40, 4.53. I mean, this is just beyond impressive. I've never seen this kind of strength from a trolling motor of any brand.
One of the coolest things, we have something very neat called gesture steering. I hold this button and look at the trolling motor head. Wherever I point this thing, it's where the trolling motor is going to go. How cool is that? Gesture steering from Garmin Force.
And last but not least, the stowing feature. You can set this trolling motor to automatically stow to the inside or the outside. This one's already set up to stow toward the outside, so I'm simply gonna stow this trolling motor and it's gonna take care of itself just like this. How about that? Don't have to worry about jamming up wires or anything like that. I simply stow my trolling motor, I'm ready to head to the next spot.
I think you can see that the Garmin Force is definitely a trolling motor that you're gonna need to check out for your next boat.